Hello, I am here to teach how to make a demo video, and these are ideal in art because you can create the project and take your whole time making the project and then fast forward or speed up the demo video. So I'm starting with Imovie and I'm just creating a new movie. I'm going to a video that I already made. So I'm just going to click that and add it. Now this video is 12 minutes long, so I'm just gonna click the clip. First I'm gonna rotate it, so I just took 2 fingers and I rotated it, and now I'm going to speed it up. So I'm just gonna click this little clock and move it all the way to the rabbit. And it's half the time now. So it's 6 minutes and 3 seconds. I'm going to save the video because let's say that I want to make it even shorter. So let's say this was a 24-minute demo video. I just cut the time in half. Now it's only 12 minutes. What you can do is save the video and then open that same video up into a new movie. So the video, after it's exported, I'm going back to projects. I'm creating a new project, a new movie, clicking that one that was 6 minutes and creating the movie. So again, I'm just going to click it and go to the timer, move it up to the rabbit, and now I'm at 3 minutes. So I'm going to go to the beginning, and let's say I want to add a picture to the beginning. I'm just going to go to Photos, All, and then I'm going to click the picture I want, and then click that plus sign. I like to add a picture at the beginning of each video, so I can write the goal, and then I know what the project is when I look at the video. So right here, I'm going to just click that picture and add text. So my videos say goal, and then I can create a drawing. I can create a clay project. Whatever you're creating. I'm going to click done, and now say I want to add a voiceover. So I'm going to click plus, do voiceover, and then click record. And I believe I already showed turning the volume down in this earlier. You can also add a soundtrack from your own music choice, your own iTunes library, but I don't think you can post it on YouTube if you use more than 10 seconds, or they might take it down. So here we go. I have a demo video I can create. My demo video is starting. It's sped up twice, so I'm going over some visual aids here, and that is my demo video. So good luck on yours.